Good morning children. Now I am taking GK lesson number 35 popular quotations and lesson number 36 presidents and prime ministers of India. Okay. First I will explain lesson number 35 children. Open page number 223. Children, here given some of the important quotations children related to great people. About that we will learn through this lesson children. Okay, see the first one. Hey Ram. Who said these words? Mahatma Gandhi. This quotation related to Mahatma Gandhi. Second one. Swaraj is my birthright. See this important quotation. Who said these words? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Like that. See the third one. Haram, haram, hey. Whose slogan this one? Jawaharlal Nehru. Fourth one. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Whose quotation this one? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Man is by nature a political animal. By nature he is a man, but political animal. Who said these words? Aristotle. I have nothing to offer but blood, toil, tears and sweat. Whose slogan this one? Winston Churchill. Now see the seventh one. A single step for a man, a giant leap for mankind. Who said these words? Neil Armstrong. See the eighth one. Necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of invention. These words are related by slogan or quotations said by unknown Latin proverb. Unknown Latin proverb. This is just as a proverb. Let's see the ninth one. Knowledge is power. Listen children. Knowledge is power. You compare to treasure, money, that ornaments, jewels. Knowledge is very important. Knowledge is power, strength, wealth. Who said these words? Francis Bacon. 10th one. To every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. See children, to every action there is an equal action and also opposite action. Means reaction. Who said these words? Isaac Newton. Then Eureka. Who said this? Archimedes. 12th one. To maintain a fault noun is a double fault. To maintain a fault is a double fault. Means saying lie is still it improves the some more lies. It ties to more lies. Like that. To maintain a fault noun is a double fault. Who said these words? John Jewell. See the 13th one. Where wealth accumulates, men decay. Where wealth accumulates, men decay. Whose quotation this one? Goldsmith. There is no future in a job. The future lies in the man who holds the job. Listen children. There is no future in any job. See, always we searching job no for our future. Actually, there is no future in any job. The future lies in the man who holds the job. See, these golden words are said by G.W. Crane. Last one, 15th one. Power tends to corrupt and absolute power corrupts absolutely. These words means these quotations are said by Lord Acton. Next I will explain children lesson number 36 presidents and prime ministers of India. President and prime ministers of India. Open page number 224. See children, here given the important means all the presidents name. See we got independence in the year 1947 no? From there to till now. Here given the list of presidents of India. Okay. Here given left side president name, right side given here periods. Means how many years or periods they worked like as a president. Okay. First one, Rajendra Prasad. In which year? In which period? He worked like as president? 1952, 1962. Second one, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. See his birthday we celebrate as Teachers Day, no? Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan also worked like as president. In which year, children? Do you know that? In the year 1962 to 1967. Next, Zakir Hussain. He in the year 1967 to 1969. Fourth one, Varahagiri Venkata Giri. In short form, we say like as V.V. Giri. V.V. Giri. See, he worked as president in the year 1969 to 1974. Then fifth, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. In the year 1974 to 1977. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy. He worked as president in the year 1977 to 1982. Next, seventh one, Jail Singh. In the year 1982 to 1987. R. Venkataraman. In the year 1987 to 1992. Then Shankar Dayal Sharma. He worked as president. He gave the service as president in the year 1992 to 1997. Next, 10th one, K.R. Narayan. He gave the service as president to our country in the year 1997 to 2002. Next, APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam gave service as president in the year 2002 to 2007. Then 12th one, Pratibha Patil. Okay, she is the lady. She worked as the president of our country in the year 2007 to 2012. Next, Pranab Kumar Mukherjee. Pranab Kumar Mukherjee. He gave the service as president in the year 2012 to 2017. And then Ramnath Kovind, presently, he is working as president also in 2021. Actually, he started to giving service as president to our country from the year 2017 till now. Still, see, presently, who is the president of India? If the question comes, is Ramnath Kovind. Okay, Ramnath Kovind, president of India. He is giving service since 2017. Okay, children. See, come to B mean, children. Match the prime ministers with their periods. See, first year presidents and their with their periods. In the B mean is their prime ministers and periods. Means how many years they gave service as prime minister to our country. See the first one. See who was the first prime minister of our country? Means after the independence, Jawaharlal Nehru. His birthday we celebrate as Children Day. Children's Day we celebrate now every year. Yes. Jawaharlal Nehru. After the independence, children, means 1947 to 1964. Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India, in the year 1964 to 1966. Next, Indira Gandhi, she also lady. She gave the service as Prime Minister to our country. Indira Gandhi. She her period is 1966 to 1977. Indira Gandhi worked as Prime Minister. She gave the service in the year, it was 1966 to 1977. Next, Morarji Desai, 1977 to 1974. Then fifth one, Charan Singh, 2004, 1979 to 1980. Okay, Charan Singh, 1979 to 1980. Then sixth one, Indira Gandhi, 1980 to 1984. Means 4 years she gave the service. Next, Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi was son of Indira Gandhi. Okay, Rajiv Gandhi was son of Indira Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi gave service as Prime Minister to our country in the year 1984 to 1989. Next, eighth one, Vishwanath Pratap Singh. Year 1989 to 1990. Means only 1 year. The ninth one, Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar 1990 to 1991. Only 1 year. Next, 10th one, P.V. Narasimha Rao. 1991 to 1996. Means how many years? 5 years. 6 years. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. 6 years. Next, 11th one, Atal Bihar Vajpayee. See, just the first time when he became the Prime Minister of India, no, he worked very few days, children. That was 16th May 1996 to 28th till again May 1996. Very short period. Okay. H.D. Deve Gowda. H.D. Deve Gowda, see, belongs to which state? Karnataka state. Yes, you know, children. H.D. Deve Gowda also gave service as Prime Minister to our country in the year 1996 to 1997. Then Indira Kumar Gujral. Okay, I.K. Gujral. He gave the service to our country as Prime Minister in the year 1997 to 1998. Okay, children. Next, Atal Bihar Vajpayee. See, already Atal Bihar Vajpayee he worked as Prime Minister in the year. It's a very short period, children. Again, Atal Bihar Vajpayee became the Prime Minister of our country in the year. He worked as Prime Minister in the year 1998 to 2004. Then 15th one, Manmohan Singh. Manmohan Singh, he worked as Prime Minister. He gave the service as Prime Minister in the year 2004 to 2009. Again, he only continued from 2009 to 2014. Many years he worked as Prime Minister. He gave the service to our country. Who? Manmohan Singh. The last, Narendra Modi. See, presently, who is the Prime Minister of our country? Means what can you say, children? Narendra Modi. See, his service was started in the year 2014 till now. Now we are in 2021. Here given 2019. This is still long. Narendra Modi as Prime Minister to our country, you know, children. Then 2014 to till presently till now 2021. It's very nice, no, children. I hope, children, you understood about all the presidents' name and how many years they gave the service to our country, and along with that, Prime Ministers of India and their names and how many years they gave the service to our country. Yes, no, children. Children, next class I will explain lesson number 37 and 38. Today I will send the notes, children, related to this lesson. Already complete the classroom. Okay, children. Thank you.